Bananas are the best fruit for quick energy. Cucumbers are the best fruit for your skin. Pineapple is the best fruit to increase testosterone. Oranges are the best fruit for your immune system. Watermelon is the best fruit for hydration. Papaya is the best fruit for digestion. If nature didn't make it, don't take it. Eggs are good for building muscle. Oranges are good for fighting infections. Beans are good for lowering blood sugar. Olive oil is good for protecting the heart. Cucumber is good for hydrating the skin. Grapes are good for preventing cancer. Celery is good for cleansing the liver. Flax seeds are good for balancing hormones. Remember, nature has all the remedies you need. Stay safe and be healthy.
Ito ang saging. Oo, isang saging bago matulog sa gabi ay napakaganda. Bakit? Dahil ang saging ay nagtataglay ng mataas na potassium, magnesium, B6 at tryptophan. Ang mga nutrients na ito ay kailangan para ma-relax ang daluyan ng dugo, ma-relax ang muscles, ma-relax ang utak, at ang tryptophan ay amino acid yan. Ito yung tumutulong sa brain natin para mag-produce ng serotonin na siyang magre-regulate ng iyong sleep.